لازم نلبي دعوة أخونا رئيس أوغندا.
Greetings for His Excellency the President of the Republic, Mr. Majid Tebboune, and although we aren't part of the G5.
We have been using our pockets for the last 200 years to support the Europeans, buy their vehicles, buy their aeroplanes, buy their medicines, also for the Japanese. But they don't understand this. Now, when we say, okay, you also support us by adding value to coffee here and you buy more, you pay us more, they don't understand it. They are greedy people. So with North Africa and with the Middle East, because here we can produce anything to do with agriculture. So therefore, what I propose is joint ventures. The company will get more money from coffee than we are getting now. For raw coffee. Raw coffee, we may be getting $2.5 per kilo. When we add value together, we may get 25. Even if Uganda was to get $25 together with our joint venture, and then the external operations take $10 or $15, it will be a win-win. So that's why we want our North African brothers and Middle East to come and share with us. In this $25, we share. Maybe the farmer, instead of paying him 2.5, we can get him like 4 or 5. Then we share the 20. Then our people get jobs.
Okay. Thank you very much.